sell off in 2 minutes is insane. Yeah. Very tough market today. Sigma, I have no idea what you're saying. So this completely went fucking past it. Jeez. That probably would have hurt. And the only reason why I don't want to take this buy signal is because just fucking ripped down and now it's back up. Look at this. Holy fuck. What was that? It's a lot of points. I wanna know. See the rain. This is a hard one. I feel like it wants to go up. I could take a little jab on it. Literally, it's gonna be a baby. Only because this is wild market. Look, it's already red. I feel like I'm risking it as it is. I'll take the loss. I shouldn't be stupid. Don't be stupid. So if you guys use this indicator, I keep mentioning this, as soon as the candles start closing below the cloud, it's a warning system. Do not take the next one until you can find a better trend of what's going on. Again, we're at that 78. I feel like this is going to go up at least here. Now we're going to do Fibonacci because signals are all over the place. And I think we're safe bet for that one. Nothing else matters. I know there's somebody supposed to be speaking soon, so we have to be careful of that too. It's at 3:15. This is all over the place. The nails matters. So it's either going to blast through this section here, or it's going to reject and come back down to here. Or we can make this smaller. So now we're going to get wedged in between here until it pops out. This indicator is the one you have on sale in Discord? Yes. I do offer one free. That free one is... it's kind of like a momentum indicator. It looks like this. These triangles. You can try that one for free if you want. But if you want the actual signals when they get in, my bread and butter, There's a 30-day trial, and then after that, it's $1 a day. If you go to VIP section in my free Discord, you'll see it. But the triangles are the free one. It works good. You just how I used to use it was every break of the previous candle high, I would scalp it. Or there's different ways to use it. You can do the first triangle, get out on the last triangle. There's all different styles. It is very good though to show you momentum, which way it's going. But if you wanted this indicator, it's at WAP. Go to the VIP section and it's in that WAP.com. I pay them to help me distribute, because I can't do all the payments and make sure everybody has access that paid. But there is a 30-day trial. If you don't like it, cancel it before the 30 days. So the reason why we wouldn't be taking this short either, there is some rules to it too. Can you pay for the whole month at once? Yep. I have a weekly one, a monthly one, and then a 3-month one. And if anybody asks why I sell the indicator, is because if you're wealthy, you'll know that different streams of income is the way to go. So I'm being a little fucking greedy for my work, yes. And if anybody asks if I'm successful at trading, I made 12 to 15K last month. Past couple weeks has been rough though, it has. I'll give you that. It's been rough. It's like every day somebody's coming out and speaking, and it's like chop, 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 city. So anybody that's making money on it, good job. It's very, very hard market right now. I mean, I've been clearing at least 1,000 a week, no matter what, but still very hard. And this week, I didn't get the fucking trade because I have an actual fucking JB. You made it, bro. This week I didn't get the fucking trade. I had work, career job work, and this was like the best week ever. And then finally I streamed this Friday, and it was Chop City. You got 3 flights canceled? How? Weather? You're probably losing your mind. 3 flights canceled? Cause nothing else matters. Weather, one of them. We landed 30 minutes after my other plane took off. Oh my god. Thanks for the follow. So we switched to an airport 3 hours from the original one and Ubered for $300 to the airport. Oh my god. That sounds terrible. Miserable. What was the weather? Was it rain or is it snow? hurricane type. It was snow for one of them. The rest, I don't know. I saw no weather. Think this is gonna go down? Could be bullish or bearish. What I've seen in the past is like this is considered bullish, but the bearishness of these sideways movements have not been working out. I would rather this come down, bounce off of this, and then we go back up. If it looks like it wants to bounce up, then retest, and then we'll look for a long. Probably take the short. I don't know, I'm in the air on it. Look what it is on the MNQ. We're still in that zone of the 78% pullback. And it's kind of double topish, right? With divergence, if this starts cracking down, then we're going to go kapooey. Which I don't care. I just wanted to pick one way. Gray, so it's not for me. I like it. But on a longer time frame, it looks pretty good to fall. Did you get homesick at all, JB? Or were you free bird in Montana?
Authority is radicalizing children, not in secret, in school. It is responsible for textbooks.
Ooh, this looking heavy, guys. Looking heavy. Just scared to get in too early. I would say longer term looks heavy. So that's why I'm like a little hesitant. Because we are trading short term and there's only really like an hour left. This is what I was trying to explain to you guys earlier before. Look at this fucking V-shape recoveries. This is the Trump market. I dealt with this, what, 8 years ago? This is how it was. It used to be an ABC movement, but with his markets, they are scoop the bottom out and take the full cone straight up. It happens all the time with him. That's why I'm like a little lost on what's going to happen. I would love an ABC move though. Don't get me wrong. So that's why I'm like up in the air back and forth. Not homesick. Absolutely love it up there. You were there for a while though. Alright, we're starting to go below. But we need to get through this resistance to start really shorting. But we're right at this area here. For the long also at the same time, so it's like pick your poison right now. Because that's a rejection off of this pullback, and then we have the bigger pullback. What does it want to do? What you want to do? Oh, for some golf? Fucking Tiger Woods, motherfucker. So if this breaks above, then we'll take a little scalperoo. Ooh. And it would be very small scalp because we don't know if it wants to dance around, it wants to play games. So I'm cool with taking the profit really quick. And even so, if you wanted to argue with it about it, it could go either or. It might have been a silly move. Because, yes, we did reject off here, but on that high and low, we're already at the 61% up. Oh, hell yeah. That's actually kind of cool. Elevation. Thanks for the follow. Elevation difference with golf. Thanks for the follow, Jordan. And with that season, he held #1 in the world for 13 years, which will never be broken. Tiger Woods, yo. What you want to do? This is a hard market. I just don't want to be stuck in this if this wants to play real silly games, like it kind of is now. Right at that 61 again, though. Ah, that sucks.
This is my experience.
Looks like it's playing silly games.
May vary.
Right in that next one, the bigger one.
And that's how I know that Breastry is working for me. I have been ill.
What is all this stuff playing? Oh, I love this song. See, this song gets me pumped up. I'll start breaking my computer, guys. I hope you go pro. That'd be sick. Can you imagine just trading and golfing? Sounds like a good life to me. Did I fuck that one up? Beanie new, beanie new, beanie new, new, new. Oof, this is going down, huh? I don't want to push it down too much. I might have to say I lost this one in a second. We're at the 78 right now. I know my screen looks like a mess. My brain. The only time we really trade like this is if, you know, we start going this chop gray market. Still there at the 78. First candle that breaks another previous candle high, I'll probably add one more. Please God. JB, if you're like at that status, you should make some videos. Some TikTok golfing videos. "4 seconds. All right, we broke that candle. it to here. We should continue up. Let's get the fuck out of this. Yeah, I never thought about it either until this year. Said flock it. Fork it. Thanks for the follow. Oh boy. Alright, I gotta focus here. Maybe I'm fighting a wrong battle here. We are below the cloud. We have 4 minutes left for this to whip back up. Or it can come down to just 467s. We're still not below it, so that's good. This is toying with people right now. Let's see if there's any news. Right here. This is where I break my computer. Bean out. Bean out. It's getting me. I cannot die. Trapped in myself. See? What the fuck, bro? So what I've noticed today is, hey, I think we're going to reverse here. And then what happens is, hey, we're actually going to test your patience for another 5 minutes. And then rip it. I don't know if you guys have been noticing that all day. Right now we're at the 61, right as we speak. But what I keep saying before is this would be a normal reversal zone, but it keeps saying, hey, let's wait 5 minutes and make you question your trading style today. Darkness imprisoning me. Yeah, I really want to go one more. I don't know why, but I do. So great flagpole. First candle to break a previous candle high should send it up. Never did. So now it could be like a little pullback here. Darkness imprisoning me.
At Boar's Head, we rise with a mission to deliver craftsmanship worthy of your table. A promise kept with every new day.
That is for you. Boar's Head, committed to craft since 1905.
So,
Right off that
how much water in your
61?
clogged bathtub is too much to stand in? 2 inches? Tree? When does a shower stop getting you clean and just make you worry something creepy's come up through the drain? And that's not really how plumbing.
You must be waiting for them to say something. It's 15:15 is when they come on. There's one. Oh, it looks like it's lagging because this says 0 next to it. Great. What does that mean? Oh, it disappeared. Said it was just joking. You're awesome. You get what I'm saying, guys? So this has been the trend all day. It's like, hey, you think it's gonna reverse? You know it's gonna reverse, but we're gonna test your theory to make you go a little bit crazy for an extra 5 or 10 minutes. It's been the agenda today. Come on, pop up, baby. We're still fucking making progress, so that's for sure. I need a little bit faster pace song here. Ring a ding ding ding, motherfucker ring. Ooh, good song. Did I get on the? I got on the fucking end of it, didn't I? I like all kind of music, so don't judge me. Except for some of the mumble shit. Too old for it. Oof. See, it's gonna test you. Red light. Let's see, it's gonna go here. It should get up there. But again, this could be this too. See, I'm battling myself, boys and girls. No, I already knew that one. Okay. Yo, this guy's been in here for months. It's hilarious. It's his car. I want to do one more, and then we'll do it right here. Red lights. We got this. You be good boy. You be good boy. What a drain. Good song, but we're skipping that one. This shit is tight. Like, what are they waiting for? Week ahead. I don't see anything. Oof, it would go that way. That I gotta be careful of, because eventually we'll pick an angle and go. Right to the 78s. Alright, we're gonna try to get out of this. What's top one, Raymond? Top one is way better than Top Step? I've never even heard of Top One. Thinking about you all the time. What a pain in the ass. Just go. What's the rules? I really do like take Profit Trader. I blew it up. I fucked it up. I had 2 accounts already and I blew them both up. A little pricier, but if you can pull those off, you will make a shit ton of money. You can pull out to like, what is it, $5,000 or $10,000 a day? Oh, fuck me. Get the fuck back up there. They all say that, bro. Don't get fucking... Be careful with new prop firms. A lot of them don't last. Wow, I was doing very good, and this one really just put it right in my behind. That's not cool. This is what we originally were looking at, and this is finally playing out, and I'm fucking not in it. Hopefully this bounces back, we'll get out. What the hell is going on with this damn market? Come on, just rip up, get me out. Give us a signal, and let's make some money. Do I backtest? I've backtest for many years, many years. I've done it too much that I don't have to. But you guys should always backtest to practice.
But Pro Color Tools by Sherwin-Williams gives paint pros ways to help. Match.
Practice, 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 practice. Correct. You should always back test. I'm trading a different style right now. That's why I'm still in this. If this was my signals, I would have been out. But there was no signal. This is a Fibonacci style. Right at that one. Looks like it wants to go up, right? Nothing else matters. See, I'm not crazy. This is just straight chop. Maybe it wants to do something like this. I'm trying to see if there's something else here. Today's Friday, dude. Markets are closed at 5. Easy Trader in Discord. Good stuff. Alright, Rob. Later. This is what I've been talking about all fucking day. You see how it should have bounced here? But now we got this little, I kind of feel that like we found the channel here finally. So it's going to test, wow, this is going to test us for sure. It buys up the trend line and then sells back down to support. Very well could be. See how we bounce off to 78. Goes both ways. It's trapped. It's trapped. Yo, it's been trapping all day. Nothing new on the news still. But it's been rejecting this too, which is making me nervous. So you either break through or don't. Nothing else matters. A Purdy Prophet found a fellow trader. You're always welcome here. Damn. This thing is just bouncing back and forth. I'm a very talented person. I'm just joking. Why? There's some... How do they not know how to say that? That's because they're young. We're still waiting for this bounce to continue up. There's no reason why, but that's a stupid reason to say because today has been no rhyme or reason either. It should, in theory... Oof, we're getting a short signal. That ain't good. Definitely have to be careful here. No, I like, sometimes I like to see the pattern if I can't figure it out. I'm more of my momentum indicator that I use with signals, or I do Fibonacci. Scalping. Everything's scalping.
Let's do that.
If this short sticks, then we're gonna have to be careful. The only reason why I'm not like, oh shit, is because there hasn't been a signal in a while, and we usually wait for the second signal on these kind of moves. But on another hand, the signals have been working today for the most part. Mr. Fib, yep. But I only usually use my fibs when the signals aren't working. But for the most part, my signals are really good. But it's been hard month. It's because people keep talking like in the middle of the day out of nowhere. I didn't want to get this big. It should have been a fucking out. Very quick. That's a good sign. Orange means oversold for potential reversal. Just curious to see what this is looking at. Oh, that's a long way down, guys. So we gotta be careful. 433s is potential if this wants to continue. Hopefully it rejects soon. Now it's yellow, extreme oversold. Yeah. So this would have been an amazing short. Right into the yellow, of course. Come on, bro. Tough fucking day of trading, that's for sure. I'm only holding it now, see if it wants to fucking reverse. And I shouldn't be trading like that, but today's been a rough day, so I'm gonna give it just a little bit longer. I wonder if it's more like that. We don't know which one this fucking is. Maybe it's more of a megaphone. Which way did you think it was gonna go, Corny? It could go your way. What I've noticed today is, hey, you're right, but we're gonna test your theory for an extra 5 or 10 minutes to make it go crazy, and then work in your favor. That's the only reason why I held that for a little while. Only reason. But this was a good signal. Fucking win for sure. We need this to break above this cloud and stay. So connecting all the yellows would be ideal. Actually, you could do that too. I never actually thought about that.
Check out these deals of the week at Walgreens.
Yeah, I guess you could. But not, you can't go off of that because that's just an indication of a potential of being overbought and oversold. It's not a direct, it's more of a signal, a sign. You gotta put the, you gotta build the story up. But I never actually thought about that or tried that. But I guess you could do that. Yellow to yellow? Now I'm curious to see. But like here is all yellow, unless you're talking about yellow high. Let's see what happens when we continue up. Yeah, see, it didn't really fit there. I'm only drawing this. I don't draw these too many, but you can see that there's some kind of pattern going on here, so that's why I'm drawing it. And hopefully we'll get up to this area. Yes, potential for reversal points. Potential. They're not reversal points. This is potential because I've seen waterfalls the opposite way for days. That is just a indication for me, because this is my code. This is just an indication for me that we are starting because of based off of point movements and price and all the other stuff. It's indicating that we are getting oversold, and just to be careful. You see how this can easily come right up. Then we can easily come right the fuck back down and test this. Very annoying today. need this to rip up soon. So I don't want it to close back down because now I'm testing the second. See how this 5-minute cloud's turning red and green? Sometimes we have to accept when we're wrong. I'm gonna get out. I'm sorry. I don't like it. $200 loss right there. I didn't like it though. I didn't like it. It can go back up. Damn, I fucking built that one for a minute too. Alright, we got a short. We're in 6. So it doesn't repaint, it needs to wait for the candle to close to settle. Four seconds left. Alright, so that one didn't stick yet. On the next candle. Let's see what the potential is for the reversal. Alright, right at that 61 again.
Really? Oh my god, I got shot.
Sweet Jesus.
Novocaine. Buy it on digital now.
At Boar's Head, we rise with a mission to deliver craftsmanship worthy of your table.
I don't know which one I want. I'm just skipping through this YouTube video. Alright, so that was a good short. We just really need this to collapse. Stop loss for this kind of a short would be if the candle closes above the cloud. Adaptive trend finder. What is it? Adaptive trend finder. Oops. This one? Don't freeze my fucking computer. Oh, it draws it for you. I don't know what just happened there. Holy fuck me in the ass, guys. This was my original fucking plan. Not cool. Fucking knew it. Look at this. This is a fucking Head and Shoulder. This is what I was saying before. I'm like, it's testing me. If I didn't fucking wait. I went for the short. I have to close this. I can't hold this up. Ah! That one hurt. That one fucking hurt. Definitely down like 1,200 now to that one. Man. On a 5-minute, look at that. Man, again. I'll put that in the back burner. I can't believe I just fucking did that. Yeah, today's been like that all day. I'm double questioning myself. I know I'm fucking right. I double questioning myself. Those are the days that suck. Let's see what the potential is on this. Because we're in the last 10 minutes. 5 minutes actually, more like. Let's see if this wants to continue and do a blow off top. Because we can easily get to the 61s or even the 78s. I know it says yellow, but depending on, because of the time of the day. And it's a Friday. I can't believe I did that though. What was that? What was that? $500 that loss? So if I can get this back here, that would make me feel a lot fucking better.
ProColor Tools by Sherwin-Williams is a set of solutions that helps you help them select colors confidently and match colors instantly and accurately. Your partner in everything paint is also your partner in everything color.
You want to keep running all your life?
If it's a war you want, keep coming.
We have a said no. We cannot do this anymore.
I'm protecting this family no matter what.
See that?
Yeah.
No, they hate
Shadow Force. Rated R. Only in theaters May 9th.
Just fucking hit it. I know. It's just annoying. Yellow to orange isn't cool either. No coins, it's features. These last 10 minutes beat me the fuck up. I've been getting beat up all day, but that one really kind of beat me up. Oh, why couldn't it be like Monday through Thursday? Oh, did you trade a Fat Bastard Monday through Thursday? I was at work and I wasn't able to trade, and I just looked at it and I was like, oh my god, this looks incredible. Easily would have been a 15k week. Except for today. Maybe I would have gave it back if I was that fucking hyped up trading. It's gonna go. It's not a coin, it's futures. This is NASDAQ futures. Damn, sorry if you guys took that trade with me before. That sucks. This was a huge fucking reversal on me. I should have seen this too. You see this head and shoulders? It's like fucking clear as day too. And this is the neckline break. Yeah, it was a rough day. I'm glad that you're positive today, though. Today was not an easy day to trade. I'm hoping this is going to just keep grinding.
With Geico, we can easily bundle home and car insurance and save even more.
Yeah, just like that breakfast burrito.
There isn't too much hot sauce, is there? I have a sensitive palate.
I actually like hot sauce.
How about guacamole?
Don't really know what we're
Like, why is this not up?
Sure.
Get more with Geico.
The new Born in Rome.
You guys are on YouTube and Twitch. I'm sorry, it's taking a minute to load. All right, we got two. Out of the 3 trades there. At least I got back some of my money there.
Extra Roma.
It's just
Extra
fucking
Central,
annoying the shit out of me.
extra dose. The
Oh,
new
you still
Born in
negative
Roma.
74 in a day?
Valentina.
It's alright. That's actually not a bad day. This is how my day feels while I'm playing it. The Reaper. Take my hand. I mean, 50 is probably reasonable too, right? if it's gonna give me another signal though. Might get close. Juliet. See, I do know what the fuck I'm doing, boys and girls. It's just fucking shit day. I was pretty talented, I think. What was my original? $78. We are almost fucking there. 67s. Come on, baby. YouTube didn't even fucking go through. I don't get it. This might continue up. Oh, this is my jam right here. And this makes me really want to buy two. Please tell me why. Gone. Pull this down, back up. At least get to here, right? Nice little scalp. This will probably be my last trade. If you guys aren't following me, give me a follow. Join my Discord. Help me out with Discord. Trying to grow it slowly. When I'm at my career job, I tried to talk on it. Psych. No, I don't. Bosses. Anyways. Join my Discord. When I'm not on, I'll try to talk in there. If you guys have any questions. There's actually a little beginner section. Just little videos of other people that I made. There's no point in me making my own. Because there's just a lot of good content on YouTube. If you want access to these indicators on the VIP section, you can try it out for 30 days free. I am working on a Fibonacci one. It's just taking me a lot longer. The fucking code. It's like drill. It's like rocket scientist shit. I can't figure it out. But if you're not following me TikTok, throw me a follow. I will be on Monday for sure. I'm gonna try to get on Sunday night when it opens. I have to work 3 days next week, so I won't be on that much. So I'll try to do Sunday night, and then I'll try to do Monday all day, and then we'll go from there. But if you want to know when I'm coming on and when I'm not, on Discord there is an event calendar. Just click on top. I, for the most part, fill that out when I'm going to be on. Hopefully you guys had a better day than I did. It was a rough fucking day today. I had that bias of it was going to be an awesome day because the entire week looked so easy to make money. And I come in today, here's a buy signal too. And I come in today and it was the opposite. Gotta cook some dinner. I gotta work out. Go walk the dogs. I gotta figure out what to do tonight. Other than that, you guys enjoy your weekend. Be safe. If you want to drink, drink a little. Not too much. Other than that, I'm out. Later, guys. Into a buy signal.